Let me introduce you. My name is Vladimir Rajci. I'm from company Austyn International. We are a Slovak company, engineering company. We are providing the solutions for the heating, ventilation, or cooling in industry, public houses, hotels, and administrative buildings. Moment, please. Okay, so as you can see, what we do, energy saving solutions. We are guaranteeing the savings of if the customer use our intelligent system. Solutions of the control process and use equipments are fit to each customer. So we do very custom solutions for each customer. We are using the devices which are also fit to the situation. There is a need to be I'm sorry. So basically, I would like we do custom solutions which fit each customer. Okay, our solutions are individual thermal management. We do the savings achievement, and we are independent of product of devices or heating devices. So we can easily use any hardware or any devices, heating devices, which we decided to use for the application. Here is a sample of big volume spray hull where we use. This is the gas heaters, infrared gas heaters. There are the ventilation and all other stuff. All other devices are connected wirelessly. We are IQRF technology. Is very useful for us because we are drop down the cost because we don't need so much wiring in the buildings. Okay. So this is our controls and monitoring system. There are two options. We have a dedicated server, and we can use local Ethernet in the buildings and use the IQRF gateways. We are UDP protocol communication, or we have one single board computer, for example, upboard with coordinator and nodes, which are on actuators or sensors. We have a web application which has several functions. We have a scheduler, charts, reports. We have user management, smart function like in time, out time, and so on. I will show you some charts where you can see what this function means. For example, on the right side there is a chart when you can see how we exactly start heating to fit the time when the customer want to have a set temperature. So as you can see, the external temperature is lower and higher. The time is longer or shorter to fit the temperature and the accurate time in the morning. This slide show you our overview when you can see the zones with current temperature, set temperature, and the status of heating or other function. For example, this is a picture of scheduler where you can see there is a weekdays where you can set the temperature for each day and make a copy to another day or another zones. Below you have a weekly overview, so you can easily see what have you set for it. You have always the specific days when you can set the temperature for example, for the holidays and so on, when you need something different like a weekly schedule. Here's some example of charts. You can see control of each device and measuring temperature, and also we have open gate detection, so customer can easily see in this chart what was like the heating and other processes in the building for example, for 1 year ago. We are collecting data for one heating season, so we can easily look back what have been done or not if there is some problem. This chart shows you once again the in-time function, which accurately start heating when the customer need to be when the customer need have a set temperature for the workers. And here are the chart when the in-time function is not applied. So you can see the customer cannot achieve the temperature in the right time. Here's one use case of our installation of our radiator heads we are using for control of for zone regulation by hot water radiator system, and in this public service building, we installed about 52 radiator heads and about 16 sensors, and our solution provided is about 50% thermal 50% saving cost after our thermal management. This other solution is a sports hall in Košice. You can see we did the reconstruction of hot water heating system, and we replaced it with the with electric radiant heating system. Despite a higher unit price of electricity, costs are very lower, about 50%, because we realized that that space need to be heated for a short terms per day or per week. So there is a big issue to use it with the hot water, because it's very hard to so big space to heat. Okay, so electric heating it's much more faster, and it fits to this solution. We also have an integration with ventilation system via backnet protocol, and ventilation system is working to do air quality sensors, and it's not working all the time, so there are other savings. So another reference is it's a hotel in High Tatras, Slovakia. We have there about 8 gateways, almost 200 radiator heads. As you can see in the picture, there is a radiator head with an anti-vandal system. So this anti-vandal system protect the head of you cannot take off the batteries and move with the head. So it's very good in hotels, because people are people and they are always trying to take something home. This is the other reference in arms industry. We have to did a antifreeze system on unheated space. It's a very big hole, like 100 to 100 meters long and 200 meters wide, and there is a small place that need to be protected from the freeze, because the producer cannot work in freeze days. So we are measuring the temperatures about 20 thermometers, and then we are using infrared gas heaters to protect from the freeze in this hole. So this is our product. It's a wireless digital thermostatic radiator head. As you can see, we have automatic valve adaptation, internal sensor also available, is also external sensor if the conditions of the measuring at the point of the head are not good. We have anti-calc protection, frost protection, open window protection, and so on. So it's a very good product. It's battery powered with lithium battery, 2 lithium batteries, 3.6 volt, and as I mentioned, there is a possibility to have an anti-vandal kit. And very briefly, this is another product we are using to control various devices like heaters, lights, panel, and so on. Whatever you want, it has a 2 or 3 relays, depends configuration with some LED indication if you want to see which relay are currently on or off. We have up to five thermometers which can measure the five temperatures, and also we have function. If communication is down, you can easily set which relay could communicate with each one temperature sensor, and it works even if the communication is down. We have some digital inputs, analog output, reset button, and so on. As you can see, we have another board. Is a measuring board with the 4 analog inputs, 2 digital inputs, also the up to five thermal sensors, and also LED indication, reset button, and so all this stuff. So okay, that's it. So thank you for your attention, and we are looking for the cooperation. And if you have some questions,
cool questions, yeah, Ivona.
What did you mean with the open window protection related to
open window protection? It means the head are measuring temperature, but if the temperature drop down very very fast, the radiator head set the position of the valve low and waiting until the temperature stop blowing or start to rising, and then it goes back to the normal regulation.
Do you use any third-party products in your solutions?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, which ones?
We are cooperating with Yoji, with IQ Home.
All right.
Also, we have some installation with Protronics, also in our building. And
is there anything else that you need right now, or what you are looking for? Because
like the rest.
What it means?
Okay. Now we are looking for the window sensor to detect exactly if the window is open or not. So we are now have a sensor from the micro-risk.
All right.
So I'm very happy to try how it works in a few days.
Can you tell me why this hotel decided to go to this innovative solution? What is the benefit for them?
The benefits are the savings, and also it's very comfort because when the booking system automatically set the temperature in each room, and they don't need to do anything with the radiator heads and so on. It automatically works whole year. So that's the benefit: comfort and savings. Okay.
Great. Any other question? No? Okay. Thanks, Vlado.
Thank you.
You did a great job.